everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we'll be making a super cute and budget-friendly Valentine sign, and I'm also collabing with Jessica Taylor today, and she's going to be making an adorable Valentine's project as well. So go ahead and check out her channel after this. And let's go ahead and get into it. To get started with this project, I found this wood sign from Goodwill and had some white paint that I brushed on top. Next, I lightly drew 4 hearts on each row so I knew where to paint. I wanted to make ombre hearts for this project, so I started with the lightest color first and then added just a little bit of red each time I went higher. You'll notice on the bottom row I only added 2 hearts so I could write the word love at the end. Every other row will have 4 hearts. I just love Valentine's Day. I feel like it's a perfect transition from winter to spring and adds a little bit of joy to the house during the winter season. My husband and I also had our first date on Valentine's Day, so I think I will always cherish this day. At the bottom, I'm writing the word love with a black Sharpie marker, but you could also use this space to personalize your sign. I think this sign turned out so cute, and it's such a simple and affordable project to do at home. Also, thanks to Jessica Taylor for collabing with me. Go check out her video after this. She has an adorable Valentine's DIY that you can do at home as well. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye!